Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. This module focuses on how AI can improve digital accessibility and inclusivity, making digital experiences more user-friendly for individuals with disabilities and diverse needs. As a participant in this course, you will learn about AI-powered tools, compliance standards, and best practices to create accessible and inclusive designs. So guys, what do we have on our agenda? First things first, we are going to start by talking about AI tools for accessibility. And then we are going to move ahead to talk about designing for diverse audiences. And then finally, after that, we are going to go ahead to talk about compliance and standards. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's begin with the first item on our agenda, which is AI tools for accessibility. Now, at this stage, it is important to understand that AI enhances accessibility by automating processes that assist users with disability. So guys, what are the key AI-powered accessibility features? First, we have what we call the automated ALT text generation. With this, AI generates descriptive text for images in order to assist visually impaired users. Next on our list, we have what we call the speech-to-text and the text-to-speech technologies. With this, AI converts speech into text and also text into speech, thereby improving accessibility for hearing impaired users. Next on our list, we have what we call the contrast and color adjustments. With this feature, AI tools analyze color contrast in order to ensure text readability for colorblind users. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about some of the AI powered accessibility tools. First things first, we have what we call the Microsoft Accessibility Insight. With this AI powered accessibility tool, we can test web and app accessibility issues. Next is what we call the Google Lookout. This is an AI powered image recognition tools for visually impaired users. Next on our list, we have what we call the Otter.ai. This is an AI generated real-time caption tool for speech to text conversion. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time for some practical exercise. In this exercise, it is expected of you to make use of the Microsoft Accessibility Insight in order to audit a website or an app and then suggest accessibility improvements. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move over to the next item on our agenda, which is designing for diverse audiences. At this stage, it is important to understand that inclusive design ensures that digital products cater to a wide range of users, including those with disabilities and language barriers. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about some of the AI's role in inclusive design. First things first, we have what we call the AI driven translations. With these, machine learning translates UI content for multilingual users. Next on our list, we have what we call the adaptive UI elements. With these, AI modifies UI layout based on user preferences. For example, let's say increasing text size. Next on our list, we have what we call the AI generated voice interfaces. With these, AI powered assistants enhance hands-free navigation for users with mobility impairment. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the AI powered inclusive design tools. First on our list, we have what we call the Google Translate AI, which is an AI powered inclusive design tool for real-time language translation for UI and UX. Next on our list, we have what we call the Voice It. This is an AI based speech recognition for people with speech impairment. Next on our list, we have what we call the IRA. This is an AI powered service providing virtual assistants to blind users. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it is time to carry out some practical exercise. In this practical exercise, it is expected of you to implement AI driven text to speech or speech to text functionality in a UI prototype. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move over to the next item on our agenda, which is compliance and standards. At this stage, it is important to understand that ensuring that AI driven designs complies with accessibility standard is crucial for ethical and legal reasons. So guys, let's go ahead to talk about some of the key accessibility standards. First things first, we have what we call the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. This is a framework ensuring web accessibility for individuals with disability. Next on our list, we have what we call the ADA, which is the Americans with Disabilities Act. This key accessibility standard mandates digital accessibility for businesses and public services. Next on our list, we have the EN 301-549 EU standards, which is a European accessibility standard for ICT products and services. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to understand how AI helps to maintain compliance. First, we have what we call the AI powered auditing tools. With these, AI scans designs for accessibility violations. Next on our list, we have what we call the real-time adjustment. With this, AI dynamically modifies UI elements for accessibility. Next is what we call the automated captioning and subtitles. With this, AI generates real-time captions in order to ensure content accessibility. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's move ahead to talk about some of the AI powered compliance tools. First things first, we have what we call the Axe Accessibility Checker, which is an AI driven tool for web content accessibility guideline compliance testing. Next on our list, we have what we call the Captioning AI, which can easily be found in YouTube and Zoom. It is an AI generated caption tool for video content. This is an AI powered compliance tool for automated website accessibility analysis. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to carry out some practical exercise. In this practical exercise, it is expected of you to make use of the Axe Accessibility Checker in order to test a website for compliance with the Web Content Accessibility Guideline Standards and then suggest improvements. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, what will you learn in this model? By the end of this model, as a participant, first, you will understand how AI enhances accessibility for individuals with disability. By the end of this model, again, you will learn how to implement AI-driven translations, adaptive UI elements, and voice interfaces. Additionally, by the end of this model, you will also gain knowledge of legal accessibility standards and how AI ensures compliance. And then finally, by the end of this model, you will use AI powered accessibility tools in order to audit and improve UI and UX designs. And that's beautiful, guys. Thanks for participating. See you in the next model.